Hello friends, welcome back to the last session of my financial predictions. Today is the last day of July and we basically got another correction for gold. This time around we got, let's try to measure this. So we got from the starting position to the current position. It's actually kind of in range. Looking at it, we can see it's very similar. There's no difference. What we saw is indeed that the price is basically too weak to go up, and that basically it returns to the levels that we saw on similar days, where on the 30th of July, so yesterday, also on the 9th of July. So this is a good support, I believe, for gold. I really don't think it's going to go lower in the next month, but then again, I really have no idea because I will not be doing a prediction for gold next month. So people already requested other charts, other stocks, and I will cover them. But yeah, gold is always going up, so I'm really not surprised if it keeps going up on August, because this was a red month for gold, and red months for gold are really not that common. It's really not that usual to see them, so it will be even less so to see two consecutive red months. So yeah, very interesting month. What I really get from this, what I really enjoyed from this, is the experiment that I made comparing this gold chart to the Bitcoin chart. And I actually found many interesting divergences and correlations between those. And what I can see is that it's not 100%, but it appears that whenever you see Bitcoin going really high, I mean, when they are nearing the bull run, gold tends to kind of suffer. Okay, that's at least my experience from looking at the performance of July. A complete reversal. Bitcoin was completely green, whereas gold is basically fully red. We did saw a high right there around the 22, 21 maybe of July, but that's the day where the correction started, just like I told you. Okay, I told you big corrections coming up around the 21 to the 23. One of these days will be a strong correction. 23 was double red, and that's exactly what we got on that day. Double red, extreme correction. So yeah, that's basically all I have for gold. So let's take a look at oil. The final day for oil. So oil had a different story. You can see that from the starting position, we got basically, let's see. Yeah, it's a fully green month. So we try to measure this from the initial position and to the current position. We got 7% up. So very interesting for oil. Also divergence with gold and the performance. Gold was, I mean, it was very raw for gold because red boxes overwhelmingly they were present, more present. We got like 5 red boxes, something like that, whereas on oil we only get 3, and many of them are yellow, and yellow always mean kind of undecided performance, and that's exactly what we got for the most part, actually, if not for the massive pump that we saw on both the 28 and 29 especially. Probably gold oil will have me more in range. But yeah, I told you that 30 was going to be a very volatile day as well. That's exactly what we got. Mixed energies perfectly right there. You can see a very sharp dip right after the day starts, only to recover massively and go up again very strongly, and kind of deteriorates around the last hours. But it was a complete green day for oil yesterday, and well, today, well, this circle always means alternative days. So if we don't see a very volatile, I mean, if we already saw a green day on the 30, it's not really going to be likely that we saw one again on the 31. Also, the yellow box, it was telling you that these days, one of these days was going to be very volatile, and that's exactly what we got. So very happy as well with the oil chart. Not my first time covering this, but certainly Not I have not really covered this since recent times. It's actually been more than a year, I believe, since I last covered oil. And the next predictions are going to be, I believe it's a forex pair. Some people already requested that. And the other prediction, I believe I'm going to look at a gas, natural gas. Also, people requesting that chart. So, thanks for watching. Also, subscribe, like, and share, guys, because these predictions are for free. They are designed to help you navigate to with the current markets, because my ability to predict the future is really unmatched, and I keep showing this every single day. The benefit is all for you guys. This is completely for free, so all you have to do is support the channel, like, share, subscribe. All of that is really good for the metrics. And thanks for watching again. Have a nice day and take care, guys.